Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID account not in the store problem on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to purchase or try to install any app from your app store, or you're also trying to update your app, so you might see this type error that account not in the store. So basically it happens whenever you're using your incorrect billing address or your country region. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to go back and just scroll in your control center, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that the VPN is not connected. So open your settings app, go to general, and here go to VPN and device management, and here you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. So because the issue we're finding is the location based issue, so you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN here. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go to limited region section, select region and select your own region if you're living. So once I've selected your region, go back, go back again, go to date and time section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically, then go back and here go to software update. I also recommend you how to try to update your software. So after updating your software, just go back and here how to go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and then select reset network settings, then enter your iPhone passcode and just select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be an issue with your network setting, it will fix in the step and you'll not get the issue again. So after doing that, you just have to go back and you have to open your app store. Just tap on your profile option at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID. You must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select country region option here and you just have to try to select your own country or region in which you are living or the country region which you have just selected with your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. I have just selected this. I'm gonna select this again. Then tap on the country option here. Then tap on the green, the top right. Now on this screen, you just have to try to add your payment method. If you have any payment method, that might be your credit or debit card, your payment account, your mobile phone, or your location-based services. Here, if you have any payment methods, you can try to enter or add in this in your Apple ID. If you don't have this in the none option, then enter your billing address. You have to keep in mind that your billing address you're entering is correct. Then enter your phone number, your name, then tap on the done option in the top right. Once you have done, and your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are facing the issue that your account not in the store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.